Hey guys, we got a couple boxes in the mail here today. 2 boxes of 2006-2007 SP Authentic Hockey. I was gonna do both boxes, do a break for both boxes, but I got a little antsy and I couldn't help it, so I opened one here. So we're just gonna do a recap of one, and then we're gonna do the box break of the other. I'm just gonna show you. I did well. I'm not disappointed at all. I got these boxes for cheap in the first place, so we got, in no particular order here, I got a Mario Lemieux Notables, number to 999, St. Louis Notables. This is a Notables as well from the 05 set, because you can get 05 cards in here as well. I got a Jean-Philippe Cote rookie from the 05 set. There's my big hit of the box, I think. I got Paul Stastny from the 06, 07. Yeah, that maybe up for trade if you can give me something that has Ovechkin on it. I got this, Steven Liv. It's limited edition rookies, number to 100. I don't have any idea what that is, but it's kind of rare, so I thought that was cool. RJ Umberger. If he picks up this year, that's gonna be one of my nicer hits too. I got a Sign of the Times Wendell Clark. Now this is going to my personal collection. I'm a huge Wendell Clark fan, so that was big for me. And then for you Red Wing fans, I got a Prestigious Pairings, Manny Legacy and Jim Howard. That's definitely up for trade. Again, something Ovechkin. Maybe Jordan Staal as well. I'm huge into those two guys.
Alright.
Okay, so let's get cracking. I'm excited here. I had nothing but good luck on that first box, so I'm kind of doubtful about this one.
Ovechkin rookie.
Yeah. We'll
Crosby rookie.
Get an Ovechkin and a Crosby in this one box here. Okay. This is one of the fat ones right off the bat, I think, but it's just a filler. Notice the cards are kind of sticky here. Another fat one. Another filler.
All base.
That's how she rolls. Oh, that's a bummer.
Who is it?
Matt Foy.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. I'm pretty knowledgeable when it comes to hockey, and I'm not too sure about him, so that's
not a good sign.
That's not a good sign. Okay, and this sticky cards are starting to piss me off, though.
When I got the 08-09 ones, they were sticky like that as well.
Yeah.
It's just how they're doing it now.
Got a Future Watch on the back. This is another guy I've never heard of, which is awesome. Hopefully it's just, yeah, it's an unnumbered, that's fine. Chris Holt. Another Future Watch. Oh, it's going to be one of those limited rookie rare ones again. Oh, no, it's not. Ooh, Martin
Houlet.
Houlet. Good enough. More base. I'm building the set here.
You should get a dual in this one too, right?
You're not guaranteed the dual.
No. Nope. What are you looking for?
It's the telescope.
Yeah.
Oh, I got my Future Watch autograph here. It's not a bad one. Jeff Tambellini.
Oh, that's not bad.
Not bad. Could have been worse. Oh, I see what you missed. I'm gonna save that fat one. I don't know why, but for some reason I feel there's something in there.
It's not a dummy.
No. Man, I better be building the set here. I'm not really liking this box just yet. Gretzky base. Oh man.
How many do you have left?
No, I got almost a third of the box left here.
Oh, okay.
Looks like I got an SP Notables. Saku Koibu. Another Future Watch. Oh, this is a good base pack anyways.
I saw an Ovechkin in there and a Crosby.
No, Ovechkin, Lemieux, still.
Oh.
Yannick Lahou. Definitely, I'm supposed to get one more autograph here. Oh, there's the Crosby anyways. Too bad that wasn't a Future Watch there. I should have just bought one box.
Yeah. And then you would have got this one.
Yeah.
You wouldn't have your Paul Stastny.
That's how that works. Bobby Orr on the back.
Four packs left.
Yeah.
They better be incredible.
Well, like I said though before, that first box
Yeah.
kind of does make me feel alright. Ouch. Jeff Hogan, Sign of the Times. They must get together and put all the the lower end autographs in the same boxes here. Kelly Guard. So I got 3 Future Watch autographs in this box, which is awesome. As for the selection of players, not so much. Yeah, well, I got 4 autographs already. We're only supposed to get 3. So I don't know if I'm liking my luck on this fat pack right now. It's a filler.
Yeah.
And no dual autograph or triple autograph or octa autograph or anything.
Oh.
So that's her. Not that good, but the first one made up for it. So
Yeah.
So I guess if you guys want to trade for any of them, just PM me and we can work something out. I like Ovechkin and Stahl. And that's her.